The immune system acts as a sophisticated defense network comprising cells, tissues, and organs, tirelessly working together to shield the body from harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, and pathogens. When operating optimally, it identifies and neutralizes foreign substances, thwarting illness and infections, helping us combat chronic conditions, curbing inflammation, and promoting longevity. Here are 10 actionable steps to fortify your body's defenses and boost immunity. 1. Nutrition for immune health. Adopt a nutrient-rich diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Focus on immune-boosting nutrients such as vitamin C, D, zinc, and antioxidants. Incorporate superfoods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and mushrooms into your meals. 2. Hydration. Maintain adequate hydration by consuming plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration supports immune cell function and bodily processes. Aim for 8-10 glasses daily and include hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and celery in your diet. 3. Quality sleep. Prioritize restorative sleep to bolster immune function and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and create a conducive sleep environment free of distractions. 4. Stress management. Combat chronic stress, a significant immune suppressor, with relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and mindfulness. Seek healthy stress relief through nature walks, hobbies, and social connections. 5. Regular exercise. Engage in moderate exercise for at least 30 minutes most days to enhance immune cell production, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or strength training are beneficial. 6. Supplements. Consider immune-boosting supplements like vitamin C, D, zinc, probiotics, and herbal remedies under professional guidance to complement your diet and support immune health. 7. Hygiene practices. Maintain good hygiene by frequent hand washing, especially before eating, after using the bathroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face and cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing. 8. Avoid harmful substances. Minimize exposure to immune-compromising substances like tobacco smoke, excessive alcohol, and illicit drugs. Limit processed foods and refined carbohydrates to mitigate inflammation. 9. Social connections. Cultivate strong social ties for better immune health and well-being. Stay in touch with loved ones through different channels. 10. Mind-body practices. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, tai chi, and qigong to reduce stress, balance the nervous system, and enhance immune function. Implementing these strategies empowers your immune system, fortifying natural defenses, enhancing vitality, optimizing overall health and quality of life.